Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting showdown for you as I compare 4 popular 3D printers. The Creality Ender 3S1, Anycubic Cobra, Prusa I3 MK3S Plus, and Elegoo Saturn II. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there is something for everyone. So, let's dive right in. First up, there is the Creality Ender 3S1. This budget-friendly printer is known for its user-friendly assembly and impressive build volume. It's a great entry-level option, and the S1 model brings some notable upgrades, including a more stable frame and a sleek touchscreen interface. While it might not deliver the highest print quality in the bunch, its affordability definitely makes it stand out. Next is the Anycubic Cobra. Positioned as a mid-range option, this printer aims to strike a balance between speed and efficiency. With features like a direct drive extruder, auto-leveling, and a sturdy frame, the Cobra promises reliable performance. The semi-assembled design saves you time, and the intuitive touchscreen interface is a breeze to use. If you're looking for solid performance without breaking the bank, the Cobra might just be your go-to. Now, let's talk about the Prusa I3 MK3S Plus. Prusa has earned a reputation for top-notch quality, and this model doesn't disappoint. Geared towards hobbyists and educators, the i3 MK3S Plus offers exceptional print quality, built-in IR filament sensor, fully automatic mesh bed leveling, and filament auto-loading. Plus, that touchscreen interface and the backing of the Prusa community add a lot of value. If you're willing to invest a bit more for a premium experience, the i3 MK3S Plus might be calling your name. Last but not least, we've got the Elegu Saturn II. This one's for the resin enthusiasts out there. With a 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD and a dual linear rail system, it's designed to bring your high-resolution, intricate prints to life. Keep in mind, though, that resin printing comes with its own set of considerations, like proper ventilation and handling of materials. If you're into detailed, stunning prints, the Elegoo Saturn II could be your ticket. So, there you have it, a breakdown of these 4 fantastic 3D printers. Each one has its own strengths and caters to different needs. The Creality Ender 3S1 for affordability, the Anycubic Cobra for a balanced performance, the Prusa I3 MK3S Plus for premium quality, and the Elegoo Saturn II for exquisite resin prints. Which one is right for you? It all depends on your budget, preferences, and what you plan to create. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.